And welcome back, everybody. Our Sleep Tight Sky Cam here in Quincy shows a little bit of the cloud cover kind of hanging over us right now. That cloud cover is beginning to kind of move on off to the east, but we're going to see that cloud cover once again develop as a cool front approaches our area. The big story today, though, man, it was warm outside. Take a look at our official high here in Quincy. We were in the 80s, 82 officially here in Quincy. 65 degrees was our morning low. That morning low is actually warmer than our average high. And while we weren't quite at record-like temperature, does it really even matter? Does anybody even care? Definitely pretty warm across the tri-states. In Macomb, quiet on the courthouse square. Temperature is still fairly mild as well. 67 degrees at humidity at 73%. We were looking at that west-southwest wind about 7 miles per hour, blowing at times upwards of 20 throughout the afternoon. That has been the main story. That southwest wind really helped push our temperatures up. And even right now, we're still dealing with some incredible warmth. Still 69 here in Quincy, 72 in Hannibal. Basically everyone across northeastern Missouri hanging right around that 70-degree mark, and off in Illinois pretty much the same. Some places even a little bit warmer, with Pittsfield at 72 and Mount Sterling at 71. The warm air is definitely on. We'll be a little bit cooler tomorrow as we actually look right now. Our winds right now out of the southwest about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We're going to see these winds switch out of the northwest as a cool front moves on through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Now the radar satellite composite shows not a whole lot going on right now. We had this high cloud deck kind of moving on through this afternoon, produced a gorgeous sunset across the tri-state. If you have any pictures of those, send them to me at NPStewart KHQA. We have a little bit of that clear beginning to moving off to our west, but behind that, we have this cool front beginning to approach. This cloud cover beginning to develop across Iowa. That's going to push into our region tonight. Now, our humidity values across the tri-states, generally on the little bit of a drier side of things, 50 to 60% humidity. That's going to help keep our rain chances low with this frontal passage as it moves on through. Let's put that in forecast motion for you. We're going to see that slide through late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Behind it, a lot of cloud cover across the tri-states. That's why we're dealing with a little bit cooler temperatures tomorrow, though that will still be above average. As we go into the Halloween forecast, though, what we're going to watch is a warm front push through the tri-states. Depending on what time that moves on through could definitely have a big impact on our temperature, either low 70s upwards to 80 degrees. We're going to kind of be watching that closely. When that moves through, we'll change that forecast. But behind that warm front, we'll be dealing with mostly sunny skies and eventually clear skies for Halloween night. So what's going on with our weather pattern? Well, we have the jet stream well off to our north right now. It's fairly weak, and that's why we're dealing with this warm temperatures. If we go across the next several days, the high pressure basically to our south really builds in. That jet stream buckles well to our north, and that allows the warm temperatures to really build in across the tri-states. That pattern will begin to break down as we go to late next week. Then we have another ridge building in, so basically above normal temperatures for the next several days is going to be what we're going to be dealing with. For tonight, 58 degrees in our partly cloudy skies. Breezy at times with gusts upwards of 20 miles per hour. For tomorrow, again, warm, will be above average, not quite as warm as today. 67 degrees for our high. The extended forecast shows not really a whole lot changing, though. The temperatures continue to warm. Your Halloween forecast mid-70s under sunny skies. The sunny skies will continue into Tuesday. We're going to have another cold front passage on Wednesday, bringing with it a chance for showers and thunderstorms. Nothing too significant, but definitely need the rain across the tri-states. Once that cool front passes through, we'll have our temperatures drop by about 10 degrees, but then mostly sunny skies once again Thursday, Friday into next weekend.